Hi guys, how can you create a can mockup effect in Photoshop? First of all, create a shape around the can and fill it with black color. Make sure the stroke is set to 0. After completing this, convert it into a smart object. Now double-click on the smart object. It will open in a new window. Go to File, Place Embedded, and add your image. Adjust it properly using Ctrl+T and select Distort to match the shape. Once done, save and close that Smart Object tab. Now return to your main image layer. Go to Opacity, lower it temporarily, and use Ctrl+T Warp to fit it perfectly around the can. After that, go to Select Subject to select the can. Then, drag the rectangular layer to the top and create a clipping mask. Finally, restore opacity, go to blending mode, and choose color burn or multiply for a realistic look. And that's it, your can mockup effect is ready.